Guys, we got a little light snow coming tonight. It's not going to be a big deal, but enough that you might have to brush. If you're one of those people who has no extra time in your morning routine, build in like a couple minutes to brush off your car. We all know who they are. They don't know who they are, maybe. Oh, are you one of those?
So guilty.
Yeah. It's not going to be much, but a little light snow on the way, and temperature's cold enough. We only got to 27 in Portland, so we'll notch it below average day, 28 in Augusta, 27 in Bangor. And here's our little system coming through tonight. It's really just a trough, but you can see it's got some snow with it, a couple hours worth at least, and that's going to rotate through overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning and get us a quick shot of snow. So this, by 9 o'clock, we've got a lot of the state into the light snow, maybe isolated moderate burst involved in there as well. It's accumulating though, temperatures in the 20s, in some cases teens out towards Rangeley. And that snow continues to move eastward through about midnight and 1, 2 in the morning over down East Maine, and then the system is out of here. So it's definitely out of here in time for the morning commute. It's just that you might have to brush off a little bit of snow, a dusting to an inch in most spots. But by tomorrow afternoon, we're back into the 40s. Some of us will be in the mid 40s later tomorrow, so we'll melt the snow that we got. And then we're quiet through the first half of Thursday. Our next storm moves in Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. That one's a little bit more complicated because it has a rain-snow line to deal with. So this didn't seem worth making a map out of. It's a dusting to an inch, right? Maybe an inch and a half in the foothills I could see as a possibility. But all these zeros don't mean no snow. They just mean under an inch of snow. That's how the model reads and displays data in this scenario. So that's not a big deal. Thursday afternoon, Thursday night's a little more interesting. Initially, I think we almost all start to snow, even the coastline, but we very quickly warm up along the coast over to rain. That rain-snow line starts pushing inland. This is 11 o'clock on Thursday night, and we've changed over, or we're at least seeing sleet in Lewiston and Augusta at that point. Mountains are still snow. Everyone ends as rain here Friday morning, and temperatures really spike Friday afternoon. Watch these temperatures closely into the 40s early, and then a quick pop to 50 is possible Friday afternoon behind that rain-snow mixture. So under an inch along the coastline and pretty far inland. I'm drawing that 1 inch line right about Sebago. Well, they'll see 1 to 3 in that zone, including Bangor. Then 3 to 6 into basically from Freiburg back to Laconia, and then over just northwest of Lincoln into Millinocket. And the highest amounts will be in Aroostook County there. Here's a positive mood situation. First 5 p.m. sunset. That is tonight in Portland. If you're in a northern latitude, not yet, but the next few days. Daylight saving time coming up March 12th means sunset will be 6:43, which seems awesome. Latest sunset 8:26. Forgot about that. That's a thing that happens at some point. But you just block it out in the winter because it's better that way. Guys, we're watching Storm for the weekend. Looks like it'll miss. I will tell you, next week is active. At this time, all the storms are missing us. But, you know, it wouldn't take a whole lot for that to adjust itself.
Could always change.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Keith.